Good afternoon. Thank you, Rob, for having me back. As Rob mentioned, we did do a presentation last year. I thought it went pretty well. Only about 3 or 4 people fell asleep, so we'll see what happens this year. That didn't include me, of course. But I'm very cognizant of the fact that I'm the last person keeping you from going home, although Mother Nature is doing her part as well. So we're going to talk about fraud litigation and, in particular, defending against fraud claims. And this involves aggressively defending the fraud claims filed against your company or client, distinguishing between legitimate claims and what I would call bogus fraud claims. We'll talk a lot about that. Assessing exposure to liability and damages, including both punitive damages and also treble damages under various statutory consumer fraud laws, consumer protection laws, and attorney's fees as well. Assessing officer liability and exposure. A lot of non-lawyers, I find, are particularly surprised to hear that they may be personally liable on a fraud claim in many cases, and preventing fraud claims to the extent that we can.